Samuel, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is called Reality Uncut. We discuss a lot of them today. Let me just go through the point today because the news was a little bit funny. Because I got some news that's funny. I got another one that's a little bit confused because I don't know maybe it's a crime now, but you guys can comment in the comment section which type of crime is that and what type of charges are they going to charge them. But let me go straight to the point. Police raid fake iPhone factory in Mozambique. Police raid fake iPhone factory, meaning where they are making the fake iPhone in Mozambique. Okay, let me go about the news. The Mozambique authority have seized 1,165 fake iPhone and arrest 2 Chinese nationals following a raid in an apartment in the capital, Maputo, where the iPhone counterfeit were assembled. Now, this is my question. Because the arrest said they don't have any wrongdoing, they don't have anything they're doing that is wrong. But after the police received a tip-off from someone that knows there's a factory for iPhone there. So it's an apartment, but the police received a tip-off. Police said the suspect counterfeiter were able to use the complex technical procedure, including assigning unique serial number to the phone, EI number. They assemble it, that they merge it. Listen, man, there are some technical stuff that like, I don't know, but I don't know the relationship between Apple and Africa, so I can say that one is not a crime. I can say it's a crime depending on the contract that Africans sign or Mozambique authority or Southern African generally sign with Apple. Then they can charge them because it's not Apple that arrests them, it's police that arrest them. So let me go with the news. The suspect have denied any wrongdoing. So I don't understand, because that's why I said I don't understand exactly why is it a crime, because they are even using the technical stuff. And as long as it's connecting to the internet, it's connecting to the Apple ID, it's connecting to the iCloud. I don't know. I can count this as a crime, but I believe why they arrest them, maybe the government assume that it's a crime. So I don't know. The custom office here said they found the suspect tangle of the tip-off. We received a complaint that caused suspicion, so we activate our operational line to determine the veracity, and other 3 weeks of investigation, we discovered the factory, said the director of Mozambique Custom Operation Area in Maputo City. He added that some of the seized iPhones are suspected to have been smuggled into the country, while others are obtained through theft. Yes, the one for obtaining through theft, I can count that one as a okay, maybe the one they stole, they assigned another IDM number to it. But it's a technical stuff, man. It's a technical stuff that, it's a high-skill technical stuff that can use to produce a counterfeit iPhone. It's there's what they normally call it, the replica. Counterfeit is money, there's a counterfeit in money, but for iPhone, I can say it's a replica. So, whatever it is, but those people they arrest, they say they are not guilty of anything, so I don't know. But I don't know how the government is going to arrest them, how are they going to prosecute them. But we're going to hear later. I'm going to be updating you how it goes because it's a knowledge. The other one that I have here, in Nigerian man who traveled to Canada a month ago was deported by killing parrots. A Nigerian man that traveled to Canada a month ago got deported by killing killing a parrot. Who traveled to Canada search of an Indian pastor have reportedly been deported back to Nigeria for taking the life of a parrot. Okay, according to the news, the Nigerian man unintentionally killed the bird, which carried GPS tracker, who tweets about the incident. Meaning the parrot that the guy killed is having a tracker on his feet or on his body. So I don't know what does he want to do with the parrot. Then deported from Canada within 1 month of arrival. My point is, after you struggle in Nigeria, applying for visa, look for money for tickets, land there in Canada, the only thing you can think of is to go and kill a parrot. Man, I don't understand. Another person says they, they deport a person from Canada within 1 month on arrival because he go kill the parrot with where GPS tracker like are you blind? And another one say the same thing happened there in Qatar around 2012. One of our countrymen, we just went there in the midnight to kill the cat to make a soup. How can you kill somebody's pet to make the soup? He has been doing it so long. Before the police get him one night, he was deported too. The funny thing, he was doing well. Good job, around $3,000 a month. The point is this, at the time, the point is, why will you go and even kill somebody's cat to make a soup? You are earning like $3,000. Be content with what you have, man. How many meat? How much meat? How much are they selling meat? That you go ahead want to go and be killing somebody's pet in the night. I don't know which kind of witchcraft, which kind of African magic they have followed that one to Canada to go and kill a parrot that specifically have GPS tracker on. Anyway, guys, if you never subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep this going. Let's keep this going. Let's keep it going. This means to you, Samuel. KOLE'S Reality Uncut.